It's day 13 of my 90-day weight loss challenge, and I've decided it's okay if I put ice in my water. Had a scramble for breakfast again, and got ready for the day. Took the girls out for their walk, and then I took a separate walk to get a Red Bull, so I could sit down for a long time and edit. Had a banana as a snack, and eventually got up to get more steps. Started on dinner, which was chicken thighs, and if you ain't sneezing, you ain't seasoning. And covered them in a sugar mustard glaze. Popped them in the oven at 420 for 45 minutes. Sauteed mixed vegetables, and made a side of rice. Chicken thighs are more calorically dense, so I only have one.
You know I can't forget about the burger.
And I had an extra taco later because I had the calories.